Hello, I'm Lenny Henry. I'm the author, the writer of The Boy with Wings, Attack of the Rampaging Robots. Dun, dun, dun. Choosing a book is really important that the cover is good. I've got a brilliant illustrator who's a friend of mine now called Keenon Ferrell, and he's done the covers of my first two books. He's a brilliant artist. He makes eye-catching covers, and they make you go and it makes you want to read the book. You just get enough of the story from the cover of the book to make you want to read it. So I choose like that. I also like it if somebody recommends a book to me. So if somebody says, you really should read Knife Wielding Vampires from the Moon, I'll go, wow, that sounds great. And then it makes me want to read it. So if a friend recommends a book to you, you should check it out. At least read the first page. I always, even if I'm in W.H. Smith's, read the first page of a book when nobody's looking. When the person is going to get the sweets for somebody, I always go and try and read the first page as quickly as I can. Because sometimes I go bing, and it makes me want to buy that book.
Hello, my name is Keenan Ferrell, and I'm an illustrator and animator, and I illustrated the book The Boy with Wings, The Attack of the Rampaging Robot by Lenny Henry. Now, I read all kinds of books, but lately I've been reading a lot of biographies. I love learning about historical figures as well as, my own personal heroes, and love learning to see if there's parts of their story and lessons within their, story that I can use to bring into my own life and help understand my own journey.